What's up, C Squad? It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
Today we're kick talking about
the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG washed pink. Alright, so this is a current release that just happened, what was it, Saturday the 22nd, I think is what the date was that these dropped. So shout out to Finish Line and Status Access. I was able to lock down a pair. This is not my size. They did not come in an extended sizing because it's a women's release. So this is for your mom. So fun fact, this is Mommy C's first Jordan 1 high ever.
Wow.
She's never had a Jordan 1. Mommy C definitely has never been a sneakerhead at all. Never been big into sneakers. She likes shoes and clothes and all, but never into sneakers until Daddy C. I've been trying to just push it. Now that we've done the channel and everything, it's been a little easier to kind of get her in the mix.
Now I'm into it.
Your first Jordan 1.
I know. We'll have to see how it looks on me, but now I'm into it because of you, Daddy C.
There you go.
You should probably explain to them why I'm not on camera today.
She's filming. And she's getting her hair done. So if y'all out there, y'all have wives and girlfriends, you know, if a woman's hair is not right, she's like, nope, don't do it. I won't be on camera.
You know
don't
how
take
we
pictures. So anyway, she's behind the camera where it counts.
That's where she'd be anyway.
Every time. Every time.
Oh, you said it's where she is every time.
Yeah, she's always. Where were you going with
that? I thought you
that?
said it's where you're supposed to be.
Oh, wow. No, he knows better.
All right.
You thought I meant that.
That's all right.
Why you think that?
Anyway, y'all, moving on. I picked these up for Mommy C. This is her size. This is a men's 8, women's 9.5. They came in a nice, kind of different red and black Jordan 1 box, which would make you think the shoe was going to be red and black because Jordan's been kind of pairing up in boxes. But it's not. It's called the wash pink, and we're going to take a look at it.
Or is it because they switched the black and red that they usually do with the Jordan 1 boxes?
It's usually black and red, and then they made it red and black. So that has nothing to do with the shoe inside.
They just switched it because they felt like it.
It's women's. I don't know. That's a good point, though. Good, good observation. The keen eye on Nigel over here. All right, man. Let's get into this box.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready? Pop the top. We got just the regular inside box top.
And here's Mommy C's first Jordan 1.
Oh, we got a wash pink Air Jordan 1. Wash
pretty.
Pink. You like that?
That's pretty. I love it.
Does that work?
I like it. I like it a lot.
It's very like spring, summer, Easter-esque.
Yeah.
You think? Something to that effect?
It's very like pastry.
Yeah.
It reminds me of a pastry.
I could definitely see that.
It's real like cottage core.
Yes.
Core.
I agree, which I love.
I don't know what that is, for sure.
It's a whole aesthetic, Daddy C. Come on.
Oh, okay. So you got the women's release, man. So the wash pink is kind of in the family of, if y'all haven't noticed, the turbo greens that released a few years ago. So it was the same kind of wash suede, like kind of rougher material. The turbo greens was almost like a teal color, and also the hyper royal. So this is a pair that I have, men's size, but you kind of see a kind of similar.
Same like blocking with the colors. Wash
On that suede. These actually have more of a tumble on it on the leather, which is nice. So the materials I say on this are probably a little better than what I have on these. Interesting.
Now, when a couple has the same shoe but different colors, are they supposed to wear them at the same time?
I mean, if they're different colors, I'm cool with that. But what we won't do is wear matching shoes.
Nigel,
that's just not my
would you
jam.
wear the same shoe with your girl if it was a different color, though? You had different colors.
Man, if it's hard enough, sure, bro. If we both got on some Rickies, some Ricky O's, then probably
Ricky
You know what I'm saying?
What about like some Jordan? I don't know. So if you're wearing Lightnings and she wears Thunders,
that's hard. It's like something like that. We matching and they complement each other.
Then you down with that?
That's fire for sure. Yeah.
All right. So maybe I'll wear these and Mommy can wear those.
Yeah, that's cute. Y'all can really blue and pink, like boy and girl.
There you go. That's true. It's like a what's the thing? The baby announcement, the
Right.
gender reveal.
Right. This is a tough gender reveal though.
True.
Right?
You could do this.
Open the box.
Like, all right, which one you better get? And then if it's a girl, you'd be like, if it's a boy, you just Exactly.
I think you just gave sneakerhead couples a great idea for doing a gender reveal.
There you go.
That's perfect.
IG
That's
reel.
really, really good.
That's a good gender reveal. Yeah, that is a good IG reel. So speaking of Nigel and his dates, Nigel just came back from his junior prom.
Yeah.
Because, you know, growing up in the world over here. And
man.
and Nigel did wear, he ditched the slippery loafers for some black cat 4s with his black tux. It was dope. Check out Instagram if you haven't been caught up on that. You might see a flick of the kid on there. So Nigel, what about any of the females that you saw there? Were they wearing sneakers too?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. The girls were wearing like heels. Some of them wore heels like. Some of them I was seeing like as like once prom started, I was seeing Crocs. Like I guess they were just choosing like. Some of them chose comfort over being all fancy.
They had the heels for the picture, then tossed them, threw the Crocs on.
Just like
Makes
that.
sense.
Like literally like 5 minutes into prom. But with the girls, I really didn't see a lot of sneakers, which is like funny because it's I've seen a lot more of that recently, like girls wearing sneakers with their dresses. But prom, I didn't see a lot of it. I saw some with the dudes. You know, I was wearing the 4s.
Yeah.
But if I had taken a girl with me, which I didn't,
him and his crew they went solo and just got to hang out with everybody.
Right?
They too cool for school.
Ain't no problem with it. You know what I'm saying? But if I were to bring a girl and I had the black cat 4s on like I did, she could put on some sneakers. But what sneakers would like go with that though? She could put on like a black dress.
Yeah.
Put on like some.
Maybe some. She could wear like some Space Jam 11s or something. So she's wearing like all black or mostly black.
Yeah.
Or I don't know. That's a good question. What do y'all think? What would you ask if a girl, if he's wearing all black, head to toe, black hat 4, she's wearing a black dress, what sneakers would go with her outfit?
Right.
To make it extra dope. That could be a senior prom mission for you.
I might have to start this idea now to
play it for next year. All right, so back to the shoe, man.
Yeah.
All right, this shoe, I think it was a dope shoe.
Yo, this literally looks like a cake.
It does.
That's what I was saying.
It is very.
I said pastry, but I think cake. Yes,
cake,
that's it.
Yeah, like the color.
Look at the yellow, bro.
Yes.
It is like it's like yellow cake.
Right.
You're right, man. Because I'm like, it is antique, like the age, vintage, but it's like definitely way more aged and vintage than anything like normal.
Right.
It is very cakey.
It looks like
It could be like Easter related, right?
The pink is like frosting. The yellow's like the cake.
Right, that's
the
what
pink
I was
is like
thinking.
the
Like
frosting.
the yellow, because I saw that yellow. I was like, yo, that literally looks like a cake.
Now y'all making me
this
hungry.
Frosting. Here.
Just eat the shoe. Exactly. We got a nice tumbled leather on that on the upper. The white leather is real nice and tumbled all around that shoe. Man, y'all funny. And let's see, the tongue has got this kind of aged look too. Very much so, like that whole cake kind of flavor. Man, around the collar, they got a nice little padding too around the collar. You want to eat the cake. And this one comes, let's see. So it came with the white laces. This one actually came with this is like the eco-friendly lace pack.
Eco-friendly laces.
Yeah, well, the pack. So this is, it's got the shoelaces and the little recyclable Air Jordan shoelaces box separately. And I do really like this hang tag that they put on this. Yeah, you got like the suede pink white Nike Air hang tag. Nice. I think overall, I thought it was a clean shoe. It was one I was like, is this the one? Because I was curious. I wasn't sure about this one or the one that released, was it late last year, early this year? I want to say Starfish, but it was that orangey leather and white.
I think I know what you like. It was like orange and white.
Yeah.
Those have been sucked too.
I was thinking of that, but I'm like, all right, summertime's coming. This would be a good one, a good release.
That's a good pick, babe. Thank you.
You like it?
I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Any qualms about it? Anything you don't like?
I've just never had a shoe like this, so it's just gonna be interesting how it looks on me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
A little mad though. They did give me a little.
Yeah,
you can pull it off.
Thank you.
Give me a little dirt spot on the back here.
Oh, of course.
On the
the sneaker I get, I get the one with the dirt.
We'll hit that with just a little suede eraser. We get rid of that.
Okay.
But yeah, I think overall, great color shoe. It's really nice. These laces, I think these laces are almost like a sail cream color. They're not white laces, which is cool. That come with it, and then the pink ones are in that box.
It looks like
the pink on the outsole.
It looks like they weren't washed like 15 years ago. So now they are.
Right. Like they really aged,
Right.
sitting
like,
somewhere.
Like actually did age.
Yeah. And so the women's shoe is like obviously like a more narrow cut compared to like a man's big foot, wide foot. They have a smaller Air Jordan logo on the side. I know that for a fact.
Yeah, they do.
That Air Jordan, the wings logo is smaller.
Don't
laugh at it. It's cute.
It's cute.
The mothers on the other ones.
And I think that's really about it, man. I mean, it's an overall clean shoe.
Yeah.
Like I said, in the same family of the Hyper Royals and so forth. Just, that same rough kind of suede material. It's not like a hairy suede that's giving you a lot of movement. You can't look at the brush back and forth or anything like that. Right. But clean, man. Really clean. Good leather, good foam. That's about it. That's all I got for it.
Should we get them rated for mom this time?
I think so.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
We're gonna get mommy to rate this.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna go with a 9.
Ooh, 9 out of 10.
That's pretty high, right?
All right.
That's
9
pretty
out of
high.
10.
Yep.
If I had gotten some shoes from my girl, I would have wanted her to say a 10.
Oh wow.
Oh, she's like she likes it a lot, but she doesn't love it.
She didn't say any qualms.
Right.
Okay. Well, I wasn't done. I wasn't done.
Oh.
The only qualm is how will it look on me? I don't know for sure because I've never worn a high top shoe before. Right?
Okay. Right. You do have dunks. She has like low dunks, some Yeezys.
Yep.
But yeah, you're right.
That's the only thing. But from just the look of it, I love it.
High
0 high tops. Yep.
It's a new day. This is a new day.
I'm open to it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. What do you guys rate it?
I mean, I give it. I'm probably right there in the same vein as a women's release. I'd say a 9, 9.5. What's the hate?
Yeah.
I can't even rate it because I'd like this. Like it doesn't apply to me at all. I would never like wear these ever.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely. I mean, I don't know. I mean, if you were a small foot crew, it could fit into like a women's. What was it? I think the highest size they made. Was,
because that is like
a 12, which is like a 10 and a half.
You could cook with these though.
Yeah, you could.
Cook. Nah, yeah, I'm gonna say a 9 too, bro.
All right.
These are kind of cookable. Now that you say
They're
that,
cookable.
if these had extended sizing,
yeah,
and you really like was putting something on with these, you really could.
You could do something.
You really could. Like
right.
as a dude too.
Yeah.
So yeah, 9.
Nice.
And we get into the summer months, so with some shorts, get your sock game right. I think you do a nice tee that's got some kind of colors in it similar to this.
Yeah, mom.
Right. So it sounds like
put some new fits together too.
That's next, Daddy. See, you gotta buy me some new fits.
Oh boy. All right, y'all. This has been great. Let me know if y'all pick these up for yourself, for your lady, where you rate them. Hit us in the comments. Hit us on Instagram, @RealDaddyC. We'll see you on the next. Peace.